Good morning, everybody. This is Mr. Mendoza. I just want to give you a preview of what's to come for the month of June. We have a brand new task board, so it's a bit easier to maneuver and it's more organized, and I think it's very concise. First and foremost, I would like to acknowledge that our learning today and every day is situated upon traditional territories, and we give thanks to the Haudenosaunee, the Neutrals, and Anishinaabe peoples for the ability to learn and work on their traditional lands. We also recognize the enduring presence of Aboriginal peoples on this land. It is Monday, June 1st, 2020. What you'll notice is that there's divided up into three big categories. So we have some messages here, math and literacy. Anything here is the optional activities, and I've actually added a bit more, okay? Because I know that you enjoy lots of choices, and it's good for everyone to take a look at other things too that people are doing from other classes. So first and foremost, the theme this week is nature exploration. And right away, I want to go to the exit ticket, which is right here. And on the bottom, I'll give you an idea of what the challenge is for today. So we have a Baby Yoda scale. So how are you feeling? And on the very bottom, it says nature exploration. Share your pictures below. Read it carefully. Each day will be a different challenge. So for today's challenge, you're going to take an action shot picture of you being outside. Either you're biking, jumping, cartwheeling, anything that you're doing outside, but you cannot be posing for the camera. Okay, so something that you're doing outside, maybe gardening or anything like that with mom or dad or whoever, but it has to be an action picture, and you may submit the file here. Okay. So here is moving on to the math for today is a simple one. It's going to be an addition and subtraction. So we're going to go on number sense. So this whole week will be a number sense. And today it's brought to you by Miss Gafari. So it's going to be, it says Monday, adding and subtracting. Okay, so you must fill in your name, and I just put M there because I want to show you what it will entail. But there are some questions here. I will watch the video first and then start answering these questions. I know that it'll have these things that it could be really, really easy for you, I guess, to find a calculator and try to solve it. But try to do your best to remember those strategies that we learned in school. Okay, and we have more. Again, they are required. So just to let you know, at the very end, it's going to get you to so I'm just going to choose some possible solutions here just so I can show you what that looks like. So these are not the real answers. What that looks like if you keep going. And there's a subtraction part on this side. So again, there's another video. So I would read that and watch it. Okay, so I'm just going to click on, and then the last part is the purposeful practice. So again, play this interactive games, practice your knowledge and skills about addition and subtraction. Tip, use mental math or problem solving strategies to complete these questions. So I've given you some games here for you to play. So after you click on one or two of them, you may certainly press submit, and then you are done for your math today. So there's two different parts, actually three: addition video and do the questions, subtraction video, then do the questions, and three, purposeful practice, which is this one. Okay. And moving on, we have literacy. So there is a link that you are going to, I guess, again, watch and listen for the video. Okay, and today is Go Show the World. That is the book that we're continuing. Okay, and after you're done, you can do the form, which is located right here. Okay, and just click on that. And once you're done that, you have some extra reading that you could do. Raz Kids, Epic Books, the library website, and here are all your different optional activities and more optional activities here. For the mashup math, it's going to be this one right here, the 10 monkey math. Find the value of each symbol and the question mark in the puzzle below. So again, it's going to be a Jamboard. So that will be attached to your Google Classroom assignment, okay? Friday's answers, you have to make 7 squares. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And you took these two right here and you put it right there and there, okay? Our hidden meaning is this one for this week. That's the answers from Friday. Yeah, this is this week. Okay. And last but not least, we have the Solve Me puzzles. We have a typing one for you, mindful moments. Again, hidden meaning and mashup math is just over here. Okay, the second and third slide. Well, that is it for me. And a big shout out, before I forget, big shout out to David Potts for joining us during our Google Meet last Friday. It is so nice to see you smiling and happy, and a great connection with Jackson too. They've been sharing some letters and they've been connecting, and that was so nice to see. But definitely seeing him in person via Google Meet was an amazing connection for me. So thank you, David, and have a great week. Okay. All right, that is it for me. If you have any questions, concerns, please let me know. Have a good day. Bye.